How to fix Microsoft Teams crashing on Windows. 1. End the Microsoft Teams process in Task Manager. 2. Sign out and quit the Teams app. 3. Clear Microsoft Teams cache at % of data % Microsoft Teams. 4. Repair Microsoft Teams. 5. Reset the Microsoft Teams app. 6. Update the Microsoft Teams. App. 7. Update the display adapter driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 8. Disable the display adapter driver, temporarily. 9. Uninstall then reinstall Microsoft Teams. 10. Run the System File Checker tool.